Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time. And then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload. And then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. Um, but yeah, let's get into the video. Hey, so I'm gonna be going through trend mood and kind of reacting to what's coming out and like my thoughts on it and opinions. So yes, because I like to watch these, so I'm gonna film these. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so first things first. The peppermint palette from Jeffree Star. I saw his story about it, and I should probably put it over here. But it looks really cool. I kind of want it. I don't want to buy the big box though. He didn't reveal what was inside, which I assume is going to be like a pale, a medium, and a deep. And I don't think I need that. Like the packaging is so beautiful, but I don't need it. I am thinking about. Okay, just stop. Just keep going. Okay, Sephora is having a 20. You get like a certain amount of money off. It's on makeup. Hold on. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi. Anastasia is releasing lipsticks. Oh my gosh, this Vault. I bought it on Sephora because I don't have any ABH palettes, and I've always wanted one. I wanted to get the Norvina one, but this deal was so good. So, got this. I don't know about the glosses and stuff. The butterfly. Not my cup of tea. Skip. Kylie Cosmetics. There's nothing really like intriguing me to buy anything Kylie. Yeah, nothing of her stuff has like intrigued me to go in. Pharmacy. You guys already know this, but I'm not like a huge. Like I love skincare, of course, but ever since The Ordinary, I haven't been gravitating towards like other skincare brands because one, they're so expensive. And two, The Ordinary exists, so why would I have to buy anything else? And then... Oh, this is the new Extreme Frost that's coming out. I know I sell highlighters, but this looks so freaking good. I want it so bad. I loved colored highlighters, so like blue, purple. This one has like a greenish gold, a blue, and a pink. Oh my god, I died. And then I saw it in like the leather box. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, these are just like Z palettes for Anastasia. Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty? I don't know. I like this color story, but I don't like the packaging. Oh shoot. Okay, so yeah, it's whatever. Good as gold. I don't think I've seen the inside of this. Is she gonna open it? Oh, whatever. Oh, ColourPop is having a sale for... I bought their Biddy X ColourPop because I loved the shadows in there. I'm so excited. Oh, look, here are the Supreme Frost. There's the pink, the blue, and the gold. Oh my god, I'm freaking in love. We got that. Oh, the butterfly one again. Color Pop. What is this? This looks pretty cool. But, got the butterfly thing again. What is this? Nabla. Are those highlighters or blush? Highlighters? Lipsticks. And then we got the Color Pop with Disney Princess. A Huda Beauty Tint Color Pop. Oh, I really want this Color Pop thing. That paw is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Plus, the packaging is like a pastel purple. It looks so good. What else? Butterfly. I'm like pretty sure ColourPop pays Trend Mood to like put all their stuff. Just saying. We got some Jeffree Star. We got some Trixie Mattel stuff. Some Kylie Skin. Oh, Victoria Beckham is like just like really popping off there. I keep seeing her in like people's like videos and stuff, like Desi Perkins. Well, we got this like basic ColourPop palette. I think this is like a a less expensive version of the Tati palette because you kind of just have like all your basic colors, and you're kind of set for like. So this is a very good palette. Then, what else? Plus, ColourPop shadows are amazing. And then we got the Anastasia, which I already bought. We got some blush highlighters. I like Wet n Wild highlighters. They're amazing for their price. But the blush, I don't know. I don't do shimmer blush. We got some KKW fragrances. Some lip injections. We got some Ulta Beauty stuff, I think. Got some Frozen. I kind of want that Elsa palette. That, like, deep red and the blue right above it looks beautiful. BH Cosmetics. Ugh. I have this thing where I don't like shadows that have, like, the stripe. It's just no good. My laptop is on 1%, so I gotta work fast. ColourPop, skip. Jeffree Star, not gonna buy it. ColourPop, Anastasia, no. Oh, okay, before my laptop dies, let me just turn the brightness all the way down. But he's releasing the mini controversy palette again, but with a green shade in the middle. So what I want to do is buy the mini one, like the first one, and then keep it. So like, because it's obviously limited edition, it's not going to get restocked anymore with like the old shade. So I'm going to buy it, keep it, and then like flip it to, because people are going to want it later. I feel like it's going to get stupid expensive. We got the Professional, whatever. Anastasia, KKW. This palette is cute, but I don't want to pay her price. Fenty Beauty, Gold, Jouet. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video like beneficial at all. Like if it helped you make any decisions on your purchases or anything. If you want, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053, Snapchat at ericquezadaQ24053, the same one, Instagram ericnerd, and TikTok ericquezada8. And I'll have it all listed down below too. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.